Hello and welcome back to another episode of It's Staring Daniel. Today we're here with a new game that I thought would be kind of fun for us. I've had this game for a long time, but I've never really thought about doing it with you guys because I thought you guys might not like it. But we're gonna give it a try today. It's called Teardown, and so basically it's got all these little voxel blocks. Made into cars and buildings, and you can destroy it all. It's really, really fun. And the physics are cool too. So let's go to, I already have a bunch of mods. You get the mods from the mod manager. Well, you have to go to the Steam so you go to Steam, you pull it up on your Steam library, and there should say workshop somewhere, or something like that. Then you scroll down, and then you can find mods, and you can search them. But let's go to my mod manager. You can also make mods. And so let's go, let's find a spot. Featured mods. These are like a different type of mods, but I do think I'm gonna, so there is a dog mod, and I think I'm just gonna disable it. I'm gonna keep it on time stick. Whoa. Let's try that. Drive anything. Dog companion, there it is. So I'm gonna keep that as a mod. I'm just disabling it. Weed whacker, boys from the district. Acid gun, sphere. Oh my, that causes so much lag. Yeah, I have that enabled. Spray, yeah, instant. I'm gonna disable that one. Okay, so what we're gonna do is we're gonna go to the featured mods again. I don't know why I got out. This is what we're gonna be focusing on today. This mod called Total Overdose. It lets you go into slow motion, and it's super, super fun. And so we're gonna give it a go today, but we need to find a map to go to. So if we scroll down, here are the essential sandbox levels. Let's scroll this way. So should we do the junkyard? That won't be good. So the Voxel Plaza. I tried that, and that was pretty fun. And I think we're gonna do that. I think that will be the best experience for us. Okay, guys. I got it all set up, and they're already shooting me. Okay, let's go. Okay, let's not. Oh no. What do I press again? Oh, it's right click. Ah! Yeah, you can do that too. That's so cool. That's my favorite part. Ow! Jump over the bench. Jump over the bench. Ugh. I'll shoot the crane down. Shoot the helicopter down. How is it not going down yet? Wait, what if I... No, let's not do that. That is way too laggy. I don't think that's making it up there. Oh, it kind of did. Nothing reaches up to there. That reaches up there. Okay, it doesn't work now. Oh, yes! Are you kidding? melt that. Come on. Just wanna... Okay, there we go. That's what I'm talking about. Ah! I just got hit. What the heck? I just jumped over a car. Stop spawning! Here we go. Where did the helicopter go? Here we go! Ow, ow. Stay on, stay on, stay on. I'm a little flop thing. Yeah, like, where's the helicopter? I broke the wood. I landed right there perfectly. Look, he's doing a thumbs up. Where's the helicopter? Oh, there it is. I think I shot the gun off of it. We gotta get to higher ground. Wait, we gotta find the melt. Yeah, so we can melt the tractor trailer because it's gonna just... It's just gonna block the path, right? Alright, it's fine, we gotta go. It's probably a not very smart idea, but I think we could do something with this. Ooh, I just used my cumulative levitation powers. Aw, man, the helicopter died. Alright, drop. Alright, go. Pew! Pew, 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 pew. Alright, let's go. That dropped straight down. Oh, no. Come on, lean to a side, lean to a side. Ugh. Come on, stab. Wiggle around. Look around like a little worm. Yes, we did it. Go. Oh, no. Oh, no. Stop. No evidence. Ah. No evidence. Yeah, no evidence. Ah. Okay. New level. Alright, right here. Yahoo! No. What? Okay, I can now put myself up levels. Lamborghini! Let's go! Nope, not today. Dude, this one is so small that I can literally just lift it. Goodbye. Ah. Alright. No evidence. Let's do a nice muscle car like we've had 15 times and then we just ruin it every time. Alright, let's go. Whoa! Aha. Why would I take this? When there's this. That I could throw off the edge. Watch out, everybody. I think this is why the helicopter's after me. Ooh, move out the way. You know what? I'll just make you move. You cars are so light that I can literally just pick you up. Come on. I need you to come out. Now let's use my physics gun. Boom. Wait, but now we need to switch back. Roll, come on. Right there, yes. How did we land on it perfectly? Boom! Now get out! Because we can do that. Boom! Oh, that's not good. Oh, our guns got stuck. Oh no, okay. Now we take this. And there's a bunch more down here so we can... Come on, man. Really not gonna fall? Ah, not today, not today, not today. Okay. Alright. So we do the edge. Oh my, it's literally hanging. The entire thing is hanging. Ah! Ah! Maybe I shouldn't have done that. No, we went past it. No, we didn't. Come on. Total overdose. Alright, here we go. Let's get in one of these containers. They'll never find us in here. Alright. We gotta take this now. I don't know. Wait, we gotta drive it to the top. Drive it off the side. Oh no. No, I didn't mean to do that. No. I pressed that instead of E. Alright, we gotta go to the very, very top. The highest point in the game. Do you know how high up we are? Look down there at the traffic. Shoot that semi. Should I just jump off? I think we're higher than the helicopter. I don't even know if it... Oh, it's right there. Oh no! Okay. Here we go! Dude, that looks so cool. Ah, come on! Land in the semi, land in the semi. No! I gotta shoot you. What the heck? Hey! Can't see. Where is it? Okay, you're right here. Alright, come on. Here. Go. Yes! Go, my boy, go. We gotta move all these leaves before he comes back. Uh-oh. What the? Okay, if you're not gonna do anything then, you have no purpose. Yes. So just slurp this up. Come on, slurp it, slurp it, slurp it. Yes! Alright, we're done. I don't want any more. You know what, for even more chaos, let's just throw it out there. This is a lot of... Yeah. Okay guys, we're gonna join another level. Okay guys. I never knew that said help. You know what? Since you want so much help, we're gonna burn you. Put that there, and then, yeah, keep that there, keep that there. Put that there. And now, ooh, no. We gotta take this, put that across there. Boom. Now we light this right here, and then it should be to the other side. Yes. Burn. Burn. Fire burn. And then we'll come back to here later. Alright, so we're on an island. If you didn't already. Ooh. I mean, if we want to do some little explodies, we can always throw this at the end. And then when we hear a boom, we know that it made it. What? You can't just stop? No, you have to keep burning. Burn. Yes, 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 yes. Catch each other on fire. I'll just light it on fire. We want the explodies. I'm just gonna light it from right here. Come on, just keep going. We want to see the explodey thing. Woo, that was cool. Alright, let's go. Oh, I thought there was an upside down palm tree. If we come down here, we can find total overdose. Now watch this. I've never tried total overdose on this map before. Okay, nothing happens. Alright, you're not gonna let us in? Well, we're gonna come in. Oh, sorry, man. I'll leave. Yeah, see? Like, my hand goes through the thing. We jump and then do that. Nothing happens. I'm trying to... Oh, my God. Alright. Come on, you gotta do something. Hey, my guns got stuck and then I hung. Alright. Come on, we need to do something here. We need to cause mass destruction. Do I have to shoot everything? You know, we need to get a more centered gun. Shoots. Aha, let's go to 2 and then we can get the gun. Yay, it falls. But why is it not falling all the way? Because of that? Well, no more of that, then. Ow. Get for dropping me. Now, the physics gun is a lot of fun in this game. You see how much destruction that was? Now, we just clank these on this dude that be happy, but we can't. So I'm not happy anymore. Gotta go this way and then up here. Because up here... Oh, nope, sorry. How do we get across? Oh, wait. Yeah, I forgot. We have physics gun. Oh, well, first, we have to do something very important. We use our gravity gun. Put all that stuff over there. And then... we do vehicle thruster, and maybe this will... Oh, no. It's the, Wait. If I put this under here... Oh, it didn't work. Would this work? Yep. Alright, so we need to go to 6 physics gun. Boom. Now, that's our bridge. And so, since these are so wobbly, what we can also do is we can double layer it by... build this bridge, gonna build this bridge, build this bridge. Oh, okay. You know what? We made it across. And you know what? We can spawn here if we do this. Spawn. Dino. No, don't go in there. Stay up here. Try and eat me. Stop going in there. Look at me. I know you want to eat me. What are you doing? Ow! Now I'm gonna make you stop. You look funny. You look kind of funny. Ow! Well, there you go, T-Rex. And now you know what we're gonna do. Wait, let's not do that. We're gonna do this. Alright, make sure to like if you want to see more Teardown and subscribe if you like my channel. See you next time. Bye.